Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on Spynet. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Spynet login. And as the search result, in the first option, you can see Login Spynet. Click on the link. It will take you to the login portal for your Spynet. Over here, on the right side, you can see the portal. Enter the username of your account over here like this. And in the password box, enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on the login button. You will be logged into your Spynet account. And in case if you guys forget your password, you can click here, Forgot Password, to recover it. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.